Good evening, everyone. Nice to talk to you again. I am Jenny, and welcome to our Mainlander's Voice. And today is the last day for our Chinese Spring Festival, but the coronavirus hasn't gone with our festival yet. As you all know, that every day the increased number is still around 4,000, and the doctor said the turning point hasn't come yet. So firstly, I'll show you this kind of thing. 出入证下尾村. And this is the postcard from our local government. Every household got one like this, and we have to put all our family members on this card. And when we enter or leave our countryside, we have to show this to the people who are guarding on the entry of our countryside. And this is happening to every a big or small village in my hometown. So I guess this maybe is also what's happening around other places in China. And this reminds me of the time when my grandparents or grandparents before the grandparents, when they had to get the rice or get meat or anything livelihood things from the government in the Mao dynasty, right? And it's the very first time for me to experience this. This is so astonishing for me, and for these days when my parents went out to the farms, they had to take this, and when they got back, they had to show it to the guards. So it's I don't know, maybe it's some protective for everyone, or maybe it just showed the 不太好的, not so good happening here. You know what? Yesterday, a doctor belonged to the first aid doctors in Wuhan city who prompt the coronavirus to the local government and died, right? And the universal countries wrote a lot of passages or used their ways to commemorate him, and his death also caused a very national discussion and criticism in our country, and at last the central department in Beijing and sent a group of people to have a survey of this question, this problem, because everyone who cares or who doesn't care about the politics put their criticism about the government's doing. So I think this causes the pressure on the central governments. Of course, some of my friends would say it's a very constitutional problem, which may needed to be changed a lot or a bit, and I don't know what would happen next. So let's see what would happen next. So this is what I want to share with you today. Bye bye. See you next time.